Hello everyone and welcome back to EnglishWitty. In this video, we're going to learn 4 powerful phrasal verbs that are all about support, unity and standing together. These verbs are often used when we talk about friendship, loyalty and helping others, both in everyday life and difficult times. Let's get started. First is bring together. This means to unite people, usually for a common goal, activity or situation. It's about creating connection and teamwork. For example, the charity event brought together people from all over the city. Next, we have stand by. To stand by someone means to stay loyal and supportive, even when things are tough. It's about being there for someone no matter what. Here's an example. She stood by her best friend when everyone else walked away. Now let's look at stick by. It's similar to stand by, but often used when we talk about long-term loyalty, like in relationships, family, or deep friendships. For example, even after he lost his job, his wife stuck by him. Finally, we have stick together. This means to stay close and united as a group, especially when things get difficult. Families, friends, and teams often need to stick together to get through challenges. For instance, if we stick together, we can solve this problem. All right, let's take a moment to review the 4 phrasal verbs we learned today. Each of them has something powerful in common: support, loyalty, and sticking together, values we all need in life and in language. Bring together. This phrasal verb means to unite people, often for a purpose or cause. It could be a project, an event, or even something emotional, like a family reunion. Use bring together when people from different places or backgrounds come together for something meaningful. To stand by someone means to support them, especially when they're going through a hard time. It shows emotional strength, trust, and deep connection. It's the kind of support that means, I'm not going anywhere, I'm here for you. Stick by is similar to stand by, but it often implies a longer-term loyalty, like a friend who stays loyal for years, or a partner who supports you through life's ups and downs. This phrasal verb expresses the kind of loyalty that doesn't fade over time. Finally, stick together is about staying united as a group, especially when you face challenges, whether it's a family, a team, or a group of close friends. Sticking together helps you stay strong. It's the phrase that reminds us we're stronger when we don't go through things alone. Think about your own life. Have you ever stood by someone who needed help? Or have you ever helped bring people together for something important? These phrasal verbs don't just help you speak better English, they help you express emotions, loyalty, and real human connection. So now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these phrasal verbs do you relate to the most? Tell me in the comments. Maybe with a short story, or even just a sentence. And as always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to EnglishWitty, where we learn English not just to pass tests, but to connect with people. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.